Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to the interactive course of machine translation for Arabic. In this lecture, we will be translating the second project, and it is the last file to be done in Translog. As usual, we have to download the source project from Dropbox. It is in Arabic IMT and project data. Check your serial number and locate your folder. My folder is 16. And this is the last one, T2R1. You may have T2R2 or T2R3. I will open it. If your Dropbox is active, it will show open. If your Dropbox is not active, it will show download. For the ease of work, I will copy this to the desktop. And now I have to open this project with Translog user. Click on Open Project, locate your file in desktop, and click Open. The status is ready. Then you can start logging. And this text is in English, has to be translated into Arabic. I'll pause the recording until I finish, then I will show you how to save this in XML format and how to edit it and to upload it back to Dropbox. And now I have finished. You can see this sentence and its translation are aligned. This one is separated by a new line and this one is separated by a new line, and so on and so on. So I will click on stop logging. I will save with my serial number. And I will save it in the desktop. Save. I will exit this. And now I have to add the language tag. In line 17, I'll make a new line. It is in Dropbox. Control V, save, and that's it. And now I have to upload it back to Dropbox. Upload files, desktop, and this XML file. It has been done. That's it. Now we will see how to replay what we have done and that will be in the next segment. See you then. Thank you.